Last video we have seen terminating and recurring decimals. So today we will see what is irrational number. We have already know that rational number is a number which can be expressed in the form of p by q and where q is not equal to 0. Now irrational numbers are those numbers which can neither be expressed as terminating decimal nor a repeating decimal. Such type of numbers are called as irrational number. So the numbers which cannot be expressed as a terminating decimal nor a repeating decimal, that means it will be non-terminating and it will be non-recurring decimal. Such numbers are called as irrational number. But for the decimal expansion of a rational number, it will be always terminating or it will be non-terminating recurring decimal. And whereas the decimal expansion of an irrational number will be non-terminating and non-recurring. So what is the meaning of terminating? 0.125. That means it is a terminating decimal with 3 digits. Non-terminating decimals means it will be like the 0, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. It will not stop. It is non-ending decimals. Now recurring decimal means 0.6666 etc. That is called as recurring decimal. So always the decimal expansion of an irrational number will be non-terminating as well as non-recurring. Now let's see the examples of irrational number. We know 1 by 2 is a rational number, minus 25 is a rational number, 0 is a rational number. All these are rational number. Now what about then 0.125, that is also a rational number. Now we'll see the examples of irrational number. So root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10, all these are examples of irrational number. What about root 4? Root 4 is not an irrational number because the value of root 4 is 2. Same way root 9 is not an irrational number because value of root 9 is 3. 2 you can express in the form of 2 by 1. Same way 3 also can be expressed in the form of 3 by 1. Also you know about pi. The value of pi usually will take as 3.14 or 22 by 7. This is an approximate value, but when you do actually 22 by 7, you will get a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So the value of pi is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. Therefore, pi is an irrational number. You can write one more examples for irrational number. That is, we can write 0.02, 00, again 2, 000, again 2, 4 zeros, etc. This is an irrational number. Same way I can write 0.12, 112, 112, 4 ones, then 2. All these are examples of irrational number. So root 2, root 3, all this will come under irrational number. Also not only root 2, you can write cube root of 2, cube root of 3, cube root of 4. All this will come under irrational number. Properties of irrational number. Sum of rational and an irrational number is irrational. For example, 2 is a rational number plus root 2 is an irrational number. Why root 2 is an irrational number? Because value of root 2 is a non-terminating decimal, 1.14 etc. In 8th standard you have studied how to find out the value of root 2, root 3 etc. So this is an irrational number. Same way difference of rational and irrational number is irrational. For example 5 minus root 2. When you do this you will get a non-terminating decimal. Product of a rational and an irrational number is irrational. For example, 5 root 2 is also an irrational number. Quotient of a rational and an irrational is irrational, 3 by root 2. So all these are irrational numbers. Now, sum of two irrationals need not be an irrational. That means just now we have seen 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number, plus 4 minus root 3. These two are irrational numbers. So when you add this, their sum need not be an rational, because this and this will get cancelled. Answer is 6. So sum of two irrationals need not be an irrational. Same way, difference of two irrationals need not be an irrational. For example, 4 plus root 2 minus 2 plus root 2. When you subtract this, we get 4 minus 4 plus root 2 minus 2 minus root 2. Again, this will get cancelled. 4 minus 2 is 2. Product of two irrationals need not be an irrational. For example, root 3 is an irrational number. When you multiply root 3 with root 3, you have root 9. Value of root 9 is 3, which is not a rational number. 3 is a rational number. Now, quotient of two irrationals need not be an irrational. For example, you can write 2 root 3 divided by root 3. This will get cancelled. 2 is a rational number and not an irrational number. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. So 2 minus root 5, that is irrational number, because just now we have seen that the difference of a rational and irrational number will be always a irrational number. Now 3 plus root 23 minus root 23, this will get cancelled. So 3 is a rational number. Same way, 2 root 7 divided by 7 into root 7, this will get cancelled. 2 by 7 is definitely a rational number. 1 by root 2 is a rational number, and just now we have seen that division of a rational number with an irrational number will be always irrational, and pi is a irrational number. 2 times that pi will be also irrational number. Find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. If it is rational number, then it is very easy. You just need to do 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. You multiply numerator and denominator with 10. Since the denominators are same, then you can write what are the rational numbers between 10 by 70 and 20 by 70. You can write 11 by 70, 12 by 70, etc. But the question is, find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. So for that, first you need to do find out what is 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. That means you need to divide 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. You have to find out the value. So when I have divided 1 by 7, I got this value 0.142857, and a bar is drawn above these numbers. That means it is 0.142857, again 142,857, again 142,857. This will keep on repeating. Same way, 2 by 7 is 0.285714. Now I should find an irrational number between these two. You can find infinite number of irrational number between these two. So I can write 0. Since it is 14, I'll write 15, then 115 or 1115, etc. Also I can write 0.160, 1600, 16000, etc. So this is an irrational number lying between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. Find 3 different irrational number between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. You need to divide 5 by 7 and 9 by 11 first to find out the non-terminating decimal expansion. So I can write 3 different irrational number between these two. So you can write any answer, but it should be in this pattern. So first irrational number is 780, then 7800, 78000, etc. Or you can write 0.7670, again 7670, 700. Again 767 etc. Or you can write 0.80 800 8000 etc. So these are the three different irrational numbers. So in today's video we have seen about irrational number, their properties. Also you have learned how to find out irrational number between any two numbers. Thank you for watching the video.